Hello friends, I'm Dr. Khushi. I'm PT from New York and I'm here to help you guys for your NPTE exam. And here we are starting from ABG analysis. So let's start. First of all, we need to know normal values for arterial blood gas. In that we have three things, which is pH, PaCO2 and HCO3. So let's see pH. Normal value of pH is 7.35 to 7.45. If it increases more than 7.45, we can call it alkalic, and if it is lower than 7.35, we can call it acidic. Now let's go to PaCO2. Normal values of PaCO2 is 35 to 45 mmHg, and if it increases more than 45, it will become acidic, and if it is less than 35, it will become alkalic. The third one is HCO3, and the normal values of HCO3 is 22 to 26 millimole per liter. If it is more than 26, we can call it alkalic, and if it is less than 22, we can call it acidic. Now we will see steps to solve a questions on ABG analysis. In that we will see 5 steps. First step is we will look for our pH. If pH is normal, it will called as compensated. If pH is higher than normal, it will become alkalosis. If it is lower than normal, it will become acidosis. Now second step is we will look for our PaCO2. So if PaCO2 is normal, we will call it metabolic, because PaCO2 is not taking part in the arterial blood gas problem. The HCO3 is taking part, so it will become metabolic. So if PaCO2 is higher, it will become acidosis. If it is lower, it will become alkalosis. The third step is we will look at HCO3. If HCO3 is normal, we will call it as respiratory problem, because HCO3 is not taking part and PaCO2 is taking part. That's why it will become respiratory problem. The other thing, if HCO3 is higher, it will become alkalosis. If it is lower, it will become acidosis. The fourth and most important step is if all three values are abnormal, the answer will become partially compensated, because pH and one of the other values are abnormal and the third one is compensating for the other two, then we will call it as partially compensated. The fifth step is pH and one of the other value are abnormal and the third one is normal. So it will called as uncompensated, because the third value is not compensating for the other two and it is in the normal range. So we will call it as uncompensated. Now let's solve one example related to ABG analysis, and whatever I explained we will see in this example. So let's go for this. For this we will see pH. pH is 7.48, which is higher than 7.45. That's why it will become alkalic. The second thing is PaCO2. PaCO2 is 46, which is higher than 45. So we will call it as acidic. And HCO3 is 28, which is also higher than normal value, which is 22 to 26. So it will become alkalic. The fourth and most important step of ours is all three values are not in normal range. That's why we will call it as partially compensated. Now fifth step here is we will look at the pH. Now pH is going toward the alkalosis. So we will see the other values, and whichever is going toward the alkalosis, we will give a name of that value. Like here we see that pH is alkalic and HCO3 is also alkalic. That's why it will become partially compensated metabolic alkalosis. Okay, and also I have few more examples for you guys to solve and answer in comments. I will see them and I will tell you if it is right or wrong, and I will explain you more if you guys want. So all the best, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on next Monday with another helpful video. Thank you so much.